In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link to an image in Shopify. By the end, you'll be able to make an image banner or other image-based sections clickable so that the entire image takes shoppers to the page you want. First, open your Shopify admin and head to Online Store. Then choose your theme's Customize option to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, scroll down to the footer area and add a new section. From the list of available sections, pick Custom Liquid. This is where we'll place a small snippet that enables full image linking without editing your theme's code files. Once the new section appears, select the Custom Liquid block in the left sidebar to open its settings. Click into the empty code field so your cursor is ready. Now, grab the code from the link in the video description. Copy it, then come right back to your theme editor and paste it into the Custom Liquid field. This snippet is designed to detect the link you set on a button within a section and apply it to the entire image area. So when someone clicks anywhere on the image, they're taken to that link. Next, in the same Custom Liquid settings, locate the padding controls and set both the top and bottom padding to 0. That simply removes extra white space around the section so the code can work cleanly without adding unwanted gaps. When that's done, click the back arrow in the editor to return to your sections list. Now choose the image you want to make clickable, most commonly the image banner, but this works with other sections too. Open the button settings for that section in the left sidebar. Add your button label and, most importantly, the link you want visitors to go to. With the code in place, that button link is now effectively applied to the entire image area, so clicking the image behaves just like clicking the button. When you're satisfied, click Save. This same approach works with multi-column, image with text, image slideshow, and multi-row sections as well. Just make sure each section you want clickable includes a button with a valid link. A few quick tips before you go. Preview your changes to confirm the whole image is clickable. Test on mobile to ensure the tap area feels natural, and keep your links consistent so shoppers always know where they'll land. If you ever need to adjust spacing, revisit the padding settings you set to 0. That's it. Your image is now fully clickable, guiding visitors exactly